Hey guys, what's up? This is Nora's Nine Ninja and welcome back to my channel. So yeah, today we're going through our constant midlife crisis. And I'm going to be bleaching and dyeing my hair. So yeah, when I say midlife crisis, I'm only 21, but you know, it is what it is. So yeah, we're just gonna see what I need to do to bleach my hair. I already brushed it. It's a few days not washed because people told me that doing it on dirty hair is better. Don't know if that's true or not, because I'm not a professional. If I mess up and Brad Mondo wants to come to Quebec, he can. Because I don't have a passport, I don't have money to travel to wherever he is. But let's get straight into it. Alright, so on the instructions, put on the gloves and open the applicator. So we got the gloves, so we're gonna put them on, roll out my sleeves. So, gloves, and open the applicator bottle. Easy. Now, you would think the easy part's putting on gloves. I would say it's not. So, I'm gonna guess this is bottle A. Yes, it is. Twist the top before mixing in. Cut open 2 pouches of lightning powder. I don't think I need both, but you know what? We'll do it. We need scissors. We are going to cut this bitch up, and we're going to put lightning powder into the bottle. I think I got some up my nose, but you know what? This is probably why this will be a midlife crisis, because I'm snorting bleaching powder, not actually snorting it. So yeah, 1 and 2. Oh my god, my nose tickles. Probably should have done this over the sink, but YOLO. Pierce the tube of number C. C is a number, people. Where did that go? Here we go. Pierce it and pour the entire bottle into the other bottle. Come on, hand strength. Don't fail me now. Alright. I think that's as much as I could get. Then tightly screw applicator tip onto the applicator bottle. This is probably why I'm missing half the teeth in my mouth. Okay, we'll just cut the tip. We're gonna give it a little circumcision. Voila. And then shake thoroughly to achieve an even mixture. We can do that. I also want a piece of gum because I'm getting nervous and gum helps me. Alright, and then apply immediately. to hair. Well, that wasn't immediate because I put in a piece of gum, but hopefully it was immediate enough. And I put, aren't the gloves fitting nicely? Because that's thumb hole already. Alright, apply the hair. Now I do have a brush, but I'll try with my hands first, I guess. Alright, so I tried to section my hair as best as I could, and I think I'm going to put my hair like this, just so I don't get it straight against my scalp. So I think we hit a little bit of a problem. I was brushing through my hair with this comb thing that I bought on Amazon, and I seem to have ripped the glove, but we're gonna keep on going. If anything, just try and focus with my left hand, because I don't want chemical burns, which, I don't know. But yeah, so far my hair's not lightening at all, but hopefully that changes. I think if anything the tips are, but nothing else. And we need more than just a tip. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I hate myself too. Don't you worry if you hate me and you just want to leave me, because same. Alright, so we are done bleaching. My hair's pinned in the back, so my hair looks kind of short, kind of digging this due, to be honest. So if worst comes to worst, this is my new hairstyle. But yeah, I call it the Butch Pickman. So yeah. And we're just gonna try and get some bleach off the back of my neck with cold water. Not sure if that's a good thing or bad thing, but we're gonna try. Also get my forehead. And if I have my finger, yes I do. So we're gonna get it off of my finger. I don't feel really itchy or irritated, so I guess that's a good thing. But yeah, so we're gonna let this develop for about 30 minutes. And yeah. Time to go clean the basement.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Yay, love cleaning. Alright, so yeah, and before I start cleaning the basement. This would not be a Nora's 9 Ninja video if I was drinking coffee. And coffee is my brand. Not really, but it's alright. Alright guys, so now it is finally time to rinse out my hair. So, wish me luck. Alright, so let's see my hair without a towel. Alright, so like over here it's exceptionally light, which is okay. And then like my hair is pretty bleached. It's just like really ugly, brassy orange color. But that's okay because we're dyeing over it. Hey guys, so I'm back. My hair is dry and now we're going in with the color process. Can you guys guess what color I'm dyeing my hair? So yeah, we're just gonna shake this for a couple minutes and then we are getting into the fun stuff. The front of the hair, so I think we'll just drizzle on the floor. And it looks like my forehead's bleeding. Nice. I can't see without my glasses. Alright. Looks like I have a traumatic head wound. Or traumatic, severe head wound. So yeah, I'm gonna end this part here, and I'll see you guys when I have to wash it out. And I can't touch the camera. Can I do it with my tongue? I'm back now because I just want to show you guys. Look at all the paper towels I went through. So this is one, or technically two because to select the size. 2 or 4, depending on how you want to count. Then we got the small one. But yeah, red dye is no joke. It literally looks like I've been bleeding a lot. It looks like I have a head wound. But yeah, so this time I'll see you guys in about 20 to 30 minutes when it's time to wash this out. Alright, so now it's time to finally wash out the dye, and I also got myself some lunch, but of course this is more important. But here we go, we got some scrambled eggs and orange juice. So yeah, I'm gonna go wash this out, and I'm gonna take a full shower so you guys cannot see that.
Little nasty!
Alright, hey guys, my boyfriend just got home, and I just got out of the shower, and let's see, oh my god, it's so red. Okay, I really like it so far, but of course it's not dry. But holy cow. So yeah, I think right now I'm just going to brush it, style it, do whatever to it. So yeah. So far I really like it.
Hey guys, so I pulled the typical YouTuber thing of forgetting to make an outro. So this is how my hair looks. It's evening now, and it's pretty dark here, so it's hard to see. But yeah, I'm gonna go take some pictures around the house, and I'll show some pictures I took before when it was light outside. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!